Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. My name is Kirk, and today guys we are going to repair the air conditioning system on this 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4Matic. Guys, the customer complained about the air conditioning system not blowing cold. When we do some checks on the system, we realize that the AC condenser is leaking. So guys, I'm going to show you exactly where it's leaking on the condenser. As you see guys, remove the front bumper of the vehicle. Guys, this is the AC condenser here, and the install aisle cooler on the AC condenser and don't strap it properly. So when you install an aisle cooler, when you strap the top, you have to strap the lower part also. If you leave the aisle cooler to flip like this, over time it's going to burst the condenser. So guys, I'm going to show you exactly where the condenser leaking. So we already put some pressure in the system, so I'm going to use the soap water method to find the leak. So guys, trying to focus there. See the leak? So the air cooler clamp, rub on it over time, and that caused the AC condenser to leak. So we're going to remove the air cooler, take out the AC condenser, repair the condenser, reinstall, strap up the air cooler properly, and pressure test, vacuum, and recharge the system. So guys, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video. Guys, we are removing the condenser now. In this video guys, we are also going to show you how to remove and replace your AC receiver dryer. Finally guys, the AC condenser is out. I'm going to bring it over to the table to weld it. Clean up the hair, guys, and I'm going to show you the old and the condenser. Look right here, guys. You can see the hole. So I'm going to weld it now. We finished welding it, guys. We are now going to remove and replace the receiver dryer, pressure test, and reinstall. We removed the cap, guys. So now we are going to remove this circuit clip. Guys, if you don't be careful with this type of clip, it might cost you a condenser. This is the bung here. We're going to remove it. So this is the bung, guys. Now you will need a bird beak pliers to remove the receiver dryer. This is the receiver dryer, guys. So this is it. You can see the condition on this receiver dryer, guys. Very dirty. And here we have the new one. Pull it out of the I'm installing the new receiver dryer now, guys. New receiver dryer install. I'm going to install back the bung here. Use this one to make sure it locks in the channel properly. And to install that there. Finish install the cap. That's it, guys. Ready to reinstall in the vehicle. Guys, this aftermarket air cooler here, we are strapping it up properly. Yeah, man, continue. No problem, sir. We are strapping up, guys, just to make sure that the intercooler don't rub on the AC condenser again. We make sure that we separate them. You can see, guys, we use a cushion inside so it won't sit down exactly on the condenser.
Take over. How are you?
Guys, it's time now to start the engine and turn on the AC. You guys know we are recharging the AC system. I'm gonna add some oil to the system now. The low sulfide started to sweat water. Inside started to get cool. Guys, we finished recharge the system. Look at the condensation water on the pipe, guys. I'm going to check inside now. So I get 7.3 degrees Celsius. So that's it, guys. Another successful job from Drier Auto. Guys, please like and share the video. And if you're new on the channel, do the right thing and subscribe.